Today I will continue the last portion of the chapter Madam Ride the Bus. Good morning class. Today I will continue the last portion of the chapter Madam Ride the Bus. Yes, you are right, her mother said. So many things in our midst and in the world outside. How can we possibly know about everything? And even when we do know about something, we often can't understand it completely, can we? Here the Wali's mother and her aunt were talking. So many things happen in our surrounding and we are not aware about them. And sometimes if we are aware, we don't understand them. At this, Wali said yes. Nobody could understand the meaning of her S. What? Asked her mother. What is that you say? Her mother asked Valli. What word have you pronounced? Oh, said Valli, I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge. Valli said that I was just agreeing whatever you both were talking. And Valli did not disclose that she had completed her secret bus journey and her mother and neighbor aunt did not know about them. Just a chit of a girl, Siege, said her aunt. Her aunt said irritably, she is very impudent girl, and yet look how she pokes her nose in our conversation. She said that she always interfere in the conversation of the elder people. This is not a good habit of a girl, just as though she were a grown-up lady. She behaves like grown-up lady, she interfere in the conversation of grown-up people. It's not good. Valli smiled to herself. She didn't want them to understand her smile, but then there wasn't much chance of that was there. Smiling, Valli ran away. She did not want to disclose about the reason of her smile. She was smiling because she had completed her secret bus journey. Her aunt and her mother could not know about it. This is the whole explanation of the chapter Madam Ride the Bus. And now I'll continue the question and answer. I will discuss oral comprehension questions first. First oral comprehension question. What was Valli's favorite pastime? The answer, Valli's favorite pastime was standing outside of the door and watching the activities which were happening in the street. What was source of unending joy for Valli? Watching the bus that passed at the interval of 1 hour through her village was a source of unending joy for Valli. What was her strongest desire? Her strongest desire was to ride the bus. What did Valli find out about bus journey? Valli found out about the bus journey that the fare of one side was 30 paise. Bus take 45 minutes to reach from village to town, and the distance from village to town was 6 miles. How did she find out these details? She found out these details by talking to the regular users of the bus. What do you think Valli was planning to do? I think Valli was planning to complete her secret bus journey. That's why she talked to the regular users of bus and collected all information about the bus, that what is the distance from village to town. She collected information that the distance from village to town was 6 miles. Bus took 45 minutes to reach from village to town, and the fare of one side from village to town was 30 paise. Oral comprehension second. Why does the conductor call Valli madam? The conductor called Valli madam because Valli was only 8 years old little girl, but she was behaving and treating just like a grown-up mature lady. So bus conductor was a jolly fellow and he called her Madam. Why does Valli stand up on the seat? Valli was very little. The canvas that was hindering her to see outside of the through the window, so she stands up on her seat to see the beautiful sight through the window. What does she see now? She sees the rows of the Parker trees, greenery that was spread for acres and acres because the bus was passing through the canal. What does Valli tell elderly man when he calls her a child? Valli tells elderly man when he calls her child that there is no child. She has also paid 30 paise just like other passengers, and she can look after herself. There is no need to bother about her. Why didn't Valli want to make friends with the elderly woman? At one bus stop, an elderly woman got inside of the bus. She had big earlobes. She was wearing ugly earrings. She was chewing betel nuts. She was very ugly. And Valli thought that if she will talk to her, she will spill some betel nut juice over her. That's why Valli did not want to talk to elderly women. Oral comprehension. Third, how did Valli save up money for her first journey? Valli saved up money for her first journey by suppressing her desire to buy peppermint, toys, balloons, and she also controlled her desire to enjoy merry-go-round when she got money to enjoy it in the village fair. And really it was not easy for Valli to collect 60 paise. What did Valli see on her way that made her laugh? When she was traveling by bus, on the way suddenly a young cow came in front of the bus, raising her tail high up into the air. The more bus conductor blew the horn, the more cow was frightened and galloping on the bus. Seeing this, Valli broke into laughter. Why didn't she get off the bus at the bus stand? When the bus reached to the bus stand, other passengers got down from the bus, but Valli remained sitting to her seat because first reason was that she did not have extra money to buy anything. Second reason was that she was a bit afraid of to get down from the bus. That's why she remained sitting. Why didn't Valli want to go to stall and have a drink? Valli did not want to go to stall and have a drink. First reason was that she did not have money. Second reason, she was afraid of to go outside of the bus because she had to return by same bus. What does this tell you about her? This tells about her that Valli was very alert during her journey. She did not want to take any kind of risk. What was Valli's deepest desire? Valli's deepest desire was to complete the secret bus journey, and she want to complete this journey without telling her parents. How did Valli plan her bus ride? Valli collected all information about the bus journey by talking to the regular users of bus. She collected information that the distance from village to town was 6 miles. The fare of one side was 30 paise and the bus took 45 minutes to reach from village to town. What did she find out about the bus and how did she save up money for fare? She saved money for fare by suppressing her desire to buy balloons, peppermint and toys. She also did not enjoy the merry-go-round in the village fair. Thus, by saving pocket money, whatever she got from her parents, then she was able to collect 760 paise to complete her secret bus journey. What kind of person is Valli? Valli is very courageous girl. She is very adventurous girl. That's why being so little, she had started her secret bus journey and very successfully she had completed also her secret bus journey. without committing to any mistakes. Really, she is a little girl, but she behaved and treated with the other people during the journey just like a grown-up mature lady. These are the questions.